Hey guys, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Dallas, Texas, and today we are on a brand spanking new 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 250. This is absolutely one of my most favorite Grand Mariners that we sell. We did order this boat with the new Cool Touch Black, so not only does it look awesome, it is actually cool to the touch too. So moving back on the boat a little bit here, one of my other favorite features are the dual touchscreen SIMRADs. This has everything from your GPS, your depth, your engine monitoring, and it even has what Harris calls C-Zone. So you can control your lighting and your music and pretty much create a big light show while you're out on the lake. We also did this boat with a full JL audio stereo system, so that's awesome too as well. Another one of my favorite features is right back here on this boat. These big Merc 400 V10s. This has a ton of power. It's a super quiet engine too. For such a big motor, this is super quiet when you're out there. So for more information on this Grand Mariner 250, I'm Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Thank you.